Okay. So queue interface. In this, we'll see that hierarchy. The hierarchy here is first is what iterable, iterable, and after iterable we have collection, collection. After collection, we do have something like queue, Q U E U E Q. Now this is hierarchy. Here I'm just writing. So first is iterable, then collection, and then queue. These all are what interfaces. Now let's see what are the classes for this. We cannot directly. The class for this is priority queue. Priority queue. I'm just writing priority because everything is queue only here. Okay. This is priority queue, and then we have one more thing. This is also one of the interface. This is called DQ. DQ. And the class for the DQ is, these all are connected actually. Q and DQ, it is connected. So for this, for the DQ also we have some classes. Array DQ, array DQ, and also it has linked list also in this concept. So, and here we have in the collections. From the collections, we also have one thing that is called list, and here they are having connection where this both. I'm just giving like this. The connection is here. Huh. So list, linked list, and then that's it. So these all are interface. Whatever the interface, I'm just writing I here. This is also interface. So I guess this is what the things. Okay. Now let's see how to create a queue. All those things we'll see. Now let's create a queue now. We'll go with what? Where it is? This one. Let me check whether it is working or not. Able to see my screen?
Okay.
Okay. But I don't know what happened to this. It is working good. Okay. So Bharat, src bharat.com. Here what I need to create? Create a class. Which class? Q demo class, right? Yeah, class is Q. Q demo. Demo. Okay. Here it is main method. Main method. In this main method, now what I need to do, I need to, for example, if I'm giving Q, UE, UE, Q, and then I'm just giving Q is equal to new Q. Q. That's it, right? So what I have done, I have created a queue, but I need to import, right? Import Java dot util. Now still it is showing me error. Why it is showing me error, Bharat?
We should mention that
Because Q is the interface, right?
oh yeah.
See, what is the error here is cannot instantiate. I have told you interface. We cannot create object. This is a object creation part. So we have to go with the classes. What is the class here? Priority queue. Okay. Array DQ. these all are what classes. So now let's see here. If I'm writing priority queue, okay, here I can write it because object creation is here only, right? Priority queue. See, the error is gone.
Yeah.
Yes. So now let's see what we can do. Q dot add appeared. Okay. Now if I'm adding here hi, then we have, okay, now Q dot offer. Here we also have offer. Two things we have. Offer and add, both we can add. Like if I'm giving 2 here, and then Q dot, okay, first we'll see add. Now we'll see the difference between both add and offer. Yes. Now here, see, so, and then Q. So now here Q, okay, ln, here it is plus. Now let's see, run as Java application. We are getting what? Error, right? Why I'm getting error? Why? Main class, integer, priority queue offer, and then okay. So now here, here it is there. So what we have doing here is we are writing different data types.
To typecast.
Yeah. So if I'm giving only integer, it will give only integer. Or yeah. So now let me just comment this offer once, and now again let me check this. Yes. Is it working? Yeah, it is working fine. With what? With the add, it is working fine. Now, if I remove this and comment add, only offer. Now let me check. It is 2. Yeah. So it means it is not working with both at a time. Okay. So for addition, we have we have to add, means we have offer and add, both the things. Now, if the moment I'm removing and I'm trying to execute now. Now what it is showing, the error is lang string cannot cast the class Java integer module of loader bootstrap. So with the integer it has a problem. Let's see. In the place of this, if I write oh, now it's working. Yes, it is working fine. So this what happens here is, this is my what it is my simple code for Q. Okay. Now if I wanted to create only for the numbers, then what I can do, simply I can take this Control C and I can paste it here with a Q1, and now here what I have to do, if I wanted to add only like integers, then what I can do here, generic I can apply. In this generic, what I wanted to say, this integer, and same thing where I have to do at the right side also.
That's it.
Or even if we don't do here also, we can give.
It is class, right?
Which one? Priority queue is class.
Yeah.
Always remember after new only class will work. Abstract
That's what
class
I-
will not work, and the interface also will not work after this. And here this side, left side, everything will work. Okay. So this we have left side and right side, so we should be little careful.
If we do not keep generic on right side, is it okay?
That is okay. Like we'll check once. Now I just wanted to q not here q1 na q1 dot. See here also it is written what add is for integer. Yes, add is for integer. So I can take 10. Then q1 dot. Let me take offer once. Okay, offer is also for integers, but it is in a boolean. Okay, fine. Let's take this one. Mm, here it is this. Here 20. And let's print this. See so now q1 plus okay, it is coming side by side 10 and 20. Fine, it is working. So this is how we can go with only integer in this queue. Yes. Now, for example, if I wanted to remove, what I can do for remove? See so for remove we have something like q dot. See here remove the object. Now let's see whether it is getting removed or not. Mm, it got removed.
Mhm.
Hi, we got y. Okay, here these things are getting printed. Okay, I will just comment
One,
them.
right?
Yeah, I will just I commented it and q dot remove.
One dot remove, right?
Yeah.
You,
Okay. See here it is giving only 10. So now what I will do is you are saying me to directly remove direct right and like this and then okay we'll go with this. Here I will do this remove and then this no need then semicolon.
I'm saying it's Q1, right? Not Q. That's why it's throwing an error.
Arey, हाँ ना correct. Nice observation. Now what will be the output? 20 only, right? Now here we need to see one thing, how in what fashion, in what manner it is removing. So again, q1 dot add add 30. Q1 dot add 40. 40. Uh-huh. Now up to here, what are the numbers we have entered? 10,
20, 20, 30,
20,
30.
30, and 40. Okay. Now, when I entered, which one will be removed first?
40 maybe.
Which one I entered first, that will be removed first. Let's see. Hmm, I entered 10. I entered right.
Okay.
So 10 got removed. 20, 40, and 30 is there. But 40 I entered late, right? Okay. Now
Yeah.
10. Okay. Offer I have done. Like let me go with the add only this also.
What is the difference between add and offer actually?
Add like we can have some difference like strings. We'll see that also once. Let me check this one first. Okay, 20 and 30 is removing. Okay. Actually, the basic funda of a queue is I will explain you here. First in, first
First out,
correct, first out. But in the stack, what was that? First in, last out.
last out.
So here after removing, we are checking this. Okay. Now, again, I wanted to remove q1 dot remove. Now, once this one. Once again, I'm removing and just I'm giving this. Now, what are the things will be there? 30 and
Okay.
40. Correct only, right? So in which fashion it is removing? First in, first out only, right?
Yeah.
Now, now let's check about offer and add. See, so Q1 dot add. I just wanted to add 10. See, so uh, Q Q1 dot offer is 10. So it means what? 10 10 I'm adding. Now let's see what it is. What I'm getting. Both are giving what? True values.
Yeah.
So there is no difference, I guess. There is no, but it will, when we are printing, the return type is what? Boolean values. Got it? So there is no difference. Both are both are performing what? Add operation. To add this, yeah. To add, we are using what? Offer. So here it is. To add or to insert, we are using what? Add and offer. To remove, we have already seen it is remove. Now, can I also use something like poll Q1 dot? We have something like poll. You can see here. Now, after poll, I wanted to print this back, and we'll comment all this. Now, can you tell me what would be the output here? What are the adding? We have done 10, 20, 30, 40, and we are removing 2 times. So 10 and 20 will be there. Again, poll. What will be the answer?
Just a second. I think must have
What happened?
screen got stuck.
Oh, you have to again join, I guess. Fine.
Yeah, right now, yes. Yeah, that's why I'm searching
Okay.
for poll.
See, poll is working. See, whenever I have written poll, what would be the output? You can guess. See here, the output is 40 only. Why 40? Because 2 times remove. We have done 2 times remove and 1 time poll. So indirectly, poll means also remove.
Oh,
Yeah. So once we are removing all three, it is only 40 will be left, right?
yeah.
Now, one more thing. See, so now let me write a Q1 dot peak. We have something called peak also. So let's see what is that. Okay, it will tell what is the element on the top. Yes, or which is going to be removed. Like let me add few more elements now, and then we'll check what is the peak. Q dot add now here 50. Then Q dot add 60. Q dot add 70. Now can you tell me what will be the top element? Yes.
50 or 40.
Which one it is showing? 40 only, no?
40. Yeah.
Why 40? Because 40 is going to be
Top.
removed.
Yeah. Yeah. No. Like we used
What
to
I'm
two
saying is
times
40 is there, right? Wait, let me comment this. 40 is there, na? After 40, what we have entered? 50,
60, 70.
then 60, then 70. So what is the meaning of top here? Top means we have here na two openings we have. Let me show in diagrammatical way. Paint. See, this is you can just consider it as a pipe, and now we have two openings here, and here also one opening. So now here From here I'm inserting. Yes. Inserting is from here and removal is from here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So whenever we are seeing on the top, we are seeing from this side, right? And the other another case is for the stack, how it is having only one opening. And where is that one opening? Here on the top. So if I wanted to keep elements, for example, I'm keeping this element here. I kept after this. If I wanted to keep this element, I'm keeping like this. And if I'm keeping this element, I'm keeping like this. And then this one. Now, if I wanted to remove, how I can remove this? I can remove only one way I have, right? One opening only I have. So how I can remove?
Yes.
I can remove from here. This one. First, this one will be removed. Then this one will be removed, right?
Yes.
Yeah. After removing this, if I'm asking you which one is the top element, this is pentagon. Yeah. So
Yeah.
from where it is going to remove at that position, which one is the top element? That is called peak element.
Okay.
In the same, it is applicable here also. So if I'm like, if I have inserted from here, if I inserted here circle now, and if I inserted here rectangle from here, now which one is top element?
Okay.
Circle, right? And here, and then we have this one. So these are the elements. Now I wanted to remove. This one will be removed first. It's gone. Next, this all will be coming here. Yes, like this it happens in the queue. Like this it happens in the queue. So I guess you understood peak,
Yeah.
code, remove, all this.
Yeah.
Hmm. We can also do this with the help of integer also we can do. I mean to say with the help of loop also we can do. So let's see with the help of loop how we can do that. So I'm just commenting this. Loop, how we can do this with the help of for loop, just see here. This is called as for each loop. Which loop? For each integer teaser. So now we have something called pq, no, sorry, p, we have q, and then here we are giving the bracket for this for loop. Now see, so which one I need to print here? I need to print the refer, like the variable here. This is integer is a variable. Okay. Which one is the variable here?
Integer.
Yes. So what I have to write is in integer. Okay. But here I think I am getting one error. What is that error? I need to check. The type mismatch cannot convert from element type to object to integer. So Q is what?
Object here.
Yeah, integer spellings are correct. Integer. Okay, integer is correct. But now what is the problem here we have?
It asking to convert from
Correct.
object to integer.
Like let us see here. Rename the no file name will be getting replaced, renamed, right? For integer, and then we have integer here. Let's run this one. What is the what is the error? We can know this. What is the error?
Unresolved compilation problem. Type mismatch.
Okay, type mismatch we have. Let's see how we can resolve this. So what I need here is see, so I'm just giving here q. So system.out.println q, and then here integer, and then integer in this q. Let me give anything else w. So it is not taking w. What I have to give here, actually it is pq only. It is q. Do I need to change it to integer? No, 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 no. Something is wrong here. How we can correct it? Let's see. We can ask to it only. Rename the
Like,
verb. Yeah. Rename in the file. File renaming. It is saying. I clicked it. Nothing happens.
we will convert like this, like to string. Can't we do that like that to integer?
What?
No, no, go ahead.
Hmm. Okay. So this we are not getting it. Fine. Mismatch. Type mismatch cannot convert from element type object to integer. Okay. From object, it is what it is exactly saying. These all are objects, right? This is one object. This is another object. So these all are one object. So these objects cannot be converted into what? Into
Integer.
integers. So to convert one integer into object, what we can do? So simply see, whenever we have this kind of problem, now what to do is simply just from here, Control C. Do you use ChatGPT
Yes.
sometimes or always?
Yeah. Sometimes I use.
Huh?
Mostly I use.
Yeah, yeah, we have to use it. Actually, we need to know how. If we know how better we can use, that is better. Actually, many things we can learn from it. So simply, I'm just pasting here. I don't know. It is why it is taking time. What I have to type? Mm, correct the code. Let's see. It looks like you are working with a queue in Java. Hmm. Same thing, right? A peak in the element in the queue. What you have done here? You can notice here integer. This is fine. Which step we have missed?
Mm,
Hmm. Up to here we have done. Oh, he have used the linked list concept and integer. Okay. Anyhow, we are also doing integer only, right? So not a issue. And then integer q1 is equal to, okay, this is peak operation he's performing. I don't want peak operation. So to iterate over the queue, we have to print each and every element. Oh, that's what we are doing, right? I guess what is the mistake then we are doing? Hmm. This part also I'm just commenting here. Q. Is it Q or Q1? Q1 we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Q1. Yeah, actually we have written two Qs, right?
yes.
Yeah, everything is correct only. We don't have any problem. So it is just a name difference. So see here, with the help of for loop, we can able to print it. Yes, it is working. 50, 60, 70, and why we got 40 here again? Okay, this one.
Because we are doing Q1, right?
Correct. Now, is it resolved?
Yeah.
Now we got only 40.
Yeah, because we removed 20, 30, and 10.
Yeah. So if I can give here Q1,
Q1, yeah.
Here it is q1. Here also it is q1. Now what is the output?
40, 50, 60, 70.
Perfect. Okay. Good, good. We are getting it. Now for loop is done. Now let's go with the while loop. How we can do with the while loop? While
Okay, like what is like I'm always confused with for each loop.
for each loop you are confused, right? See, in this part, we have this is what this is a variable. Okay, and what is this integer? Integer is a type conversion of what? Of the object. So whenever we are using this, it is applicable only for objects when we are dealing with objects, right? So like you asked one question on that day when we have loops, why we are using that cursor concept? Yeah.
Yeah.
So why we are using that cursor? Because to deal with the objects, we have some standard things. So to deal with this, we have some standard for loop. This is called for each loop. So this is what integer converting, and this is what a variable. Instead of this, I can write any other thing also. And then what is this q1? Whatever the container. This is a container where I have all this 40, 50, 60, 70, all those numbers are there. So one by one it will check, like in this what it is there first. 50 will be converted into integer because that is object, right? It is converting into what? Integer, and it is printing it. Understood?
Okay, like if we want to use like only for loop, not for each loop, so how to convert like from object to
Like for example,
integer then?
you wanted to use like this, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than how many? What is the output we got? How many numbers are there? Let me take 5, and then I plus plus. This one is CISO. Now here usually what we do here, if I print what I have to print, you tell me just q dot I, right? q1
Q1.
dot I. Is it q1 dot I? It is giving me error. Like this. Yeah. Will it work? It will not work because if it is an array, right? Array means what? Total. Then we can use here. But it is just a number we have added in the queue. So now here, if I just use q, what I will get? Normally I can direct this thing I can do outside of the for loop for also, right? Why I am using this? So see here,
Yeah.
then where I'm using I here, I concept is not there. Okay, I concept is not there, but as it is a for loop, it will print all this. How many times it printed? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5
5, 5
times.
times. Yeah, but one by one it is not printing. Why? So now for example, if I'm writing just I, now what will happen? What it will print? Just only numbers.
Mhm.
Yeah. So if I wanted to print one by one, for that reason we are using what? For each and everything will be getting. We can separate or we can display each and every element by using for each loop. Got it? So this is just now I'm commenting it. Mhm. Okay. Next, what I said? While, right? While.
Uh-huh.
In this while also, what I can do here is now how to display the while here. See, so what I need to do, I need to remove like whatever things I'm removing, I need to display, right? Poll means what? If simply if I'm using poll also, the poll means whatever the element is removed, this one will be removed, right? But this is getting stored somewhere first. Understood? So if I wanted to print inside the print, if I'm using the poll, it will display the part which is removed. Got it? So if I do the poll, if I do the poll here, it will remove, but it will display this one. It will return this. Okay. So it is returning also now. So like this also we can display. So what I can do here is let q only na q1 dot poll. I'm just using here q1 dot poll. Yes. Now what would be the condition here? till where I have to go till it becomes empty, right? Is empty
Mm.
operation is there. So not q1 dot is empty. It should go till it is empty. Up to then I have to run this loop. So it's working, right? I will keep one CISO. Let's see. Yes, both are working. While and for each and for. Got it?
Mm.
Hmm. So this is what we have done here with the help of poll. Fine. Now next one. What is the next one? We have okay. We can reverse the order also. Okay, fine. This is done. We'll take another class, or else I will explain in this class only if possible. Now we have something called array DQ. Okay, so in the array DQ, it is nothing but add first, add last, offer first, offer last. Those things will be there. So let's see array DQ. It is better I can create a new class. Like before that, I will copy this. Mm, hmm. Now let's see one example of array DQ. Close all. DQ. In this array DQ, first main, then here import java.util. Now what we have to write? Array DQ. Array DQ, I'm just giving a string. AD is equal to new. Okay, I'll just copy this one. So now we have created one container, and the container name is what? Array DQ. That is the class. Now ad.add. Here also we have add, and I'm adding string. I can add what? I added banana. Add dot add first. Here we have add first. You can see here. In this add first, I'm just adding cherry. Here add ad dot string apple. No, apple actually it is add last. Add last. Now ad dot offer. Offer mango. Add dot offer last. For last custard apple. Hmm. Now can you tell me what would be the series sequence?
Mm, Banana, cherry.
Banana we added, but
Mm,
coming to this part,
Yeah, cherry.
first cherry and then banana, right?
Yeah,
And then coming to this eighth line,
uh,
cherry, banana, and apple.
yeah.
It is add
And
last, so apple will be always last.
yeah, so cherry, banana,
Now coming to
and
here last. So
mango,
what will be the last here?
custard apple.
Yes, correct. Custard apple is the last. Okay, that one thing we understood. Next one is like first one is what will be the first?
Cherry.
Cherry will be the first. Okay, first and last you understood. What will be after cherry? After cherry,
Banana maybe.
is it?
Yeah.
So up from here, first it is what? Banana. B here add first. So first is what? Cherry. Then we have banana. Then here what it is? Apple. We are saying apple last. So cherry, banana, apple. Yes. And here just it is a offer means what? uh,
Mm,
just adding, huh? Just adding. So cherry is first, and then we have banana, and then we can write mango, and then a is what? Apple is last. Now in this cherry, and then in this what? Cherry, this is
Banana,
last.
mango. Yeah.
Banana,
That should be.
mango, apple, and C, custard, CU. Now let's see whether it is working on this sequence or not. These two. So this is what about array DQ. In this array DQ, these things are there. So what I have to do, AD. Let's execute this. Is it
Yeah.
matching our
y-
sequence?
Yes.
CBAM. AM. No, our
Oh,
something is changed here. CBM. Here it is.
apple is changed because add last, right? So mango is added after banana.
Oh, okay, okay, correct, correct. Here it is. It should be what? We are having A and M and A, right? Offer means Apple should be last. So last. Okay, Apple. Here it is last up to here. After last, we are adding what? After the last again we are adding mango, right? Yum, correct. So this is about that, and we can also check a peak also. So what we can check peak means is so ad dot peak. In this also we have peak first, peak last. Ad dot peak first, ad dot peak, peak first, no peak last. Now what will be the peak? Normal peak means first and peak both will be same. Let's see here.
Mhm.
uh, cherry, same, but last one is custard apple. Okay, that's it, right? This I'm just commenting this, and I just wanted to see all these three. Now now it's correct, but why it is coming in red? Something mistaken. Okay, right? Out, out. Yes, it is fine. So this is what we can do. Like we can add here size also. So what would be the size? Count of members. Add dot size of. What is the size here? 5. Is it 5?
Mm-hmm.
And now, for example, if I wanted to have a so pole last. So what is the meaning of this pole last? Ad dot pole. Let's remove pole first. So up to now, what is the first one we have? C, right? Whether it is removing the C, if it is removing the C, it has to display all this. But we are trying to return the pole first. So it may return the first value, that is called cherry. Is it? Let's see. Yeah, cherry, right? It is returning here. This is returning the first one. So, okay. So this is all about what? Array DQ. Yeah.
Yeah.
These are some of the examples in array DQ. Mhm. Okay. Now we need to understand internal working of priority queue and DQ. In the priority queue, we'll explain with the diagram. Wanted to create a new file. I don't know why it is not giving me the option. Control N. It's not responding. Okay. So we have this. Here we have head and tail. In priority queue, what we have? Head and tail. Now, for example, just I'm giving here one understanding. For example, this is what head and this is what tail. Yes. Yes, Bharat, you are listening?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So now here, for example, from the head, we are doing what? Deletion. From here, we are removing the element. Now, for example, here, this is one element. This is another element. This is another element. This is another element. So these are the elements. How they are inserted? They are inserted from here. So this is from tail. This is tail, and this is head. So from the head side, they are removing. We are removing them. Yes. From the tail side, what we are doing? We are inserting. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now same thing. What I will do is I will just take this. Yeah. Here we have another one. Now in this is called what? Priority queue. It is happening in this priority queue based on the priorities it is taking. This is priority queue, and the second one is DQ. Priority and DQ differences I'm explaining you. Now what happens here is from here we can perform two things. I can remove the elements and I can insert also. I can insert the elements here from the head side, and the same thing happens with the tail side also. I can insert and I can remove. Okay. Insertion and deletion both happens from both sides. This is called DQ. Yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
but here what happens is we can only delete, means remove the elements from the head side, and here we can insert. So this is only one operation is done, that is called what? Priority. And the two operations are done at one end, that is called array DQ. Got it?
Yes.
This I cannot paste in that notes, so
Yeah,
I
I got
but you understood it. So that's it. Mm, Now DQ. Yes. What is the meaning of DQ? We can say that double-ended queue. So similarly, whatever I have done that like queue dot offer, I wanted you to try with a linked list queue also. Okay. Try with a linked list queue. Yeah. Yes, Bharat.
hello. Yeah.
Okay.
What you're saying?
No, I'm just saying whatever this we are doing. No, earlier example what we have done. Earlier one, not array DQ. Before array DQ, we have done priority queue. Now, same thing you can try with
Okay.
a linked list queue.
Just a sec. I can see only picture. That's why. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Now it is connected again.
Okay. So what I'm saying is all these things like earlier here, this one, earlier one.
Hmm?
No, I'm saying we have done this, right? These all are.
Yeah.
I wanted you to. This is with a queue and a priority queue, na. So this time
Yeah.
you can try with a linked list queue. You can try. I'm saying
Okay.
linked list queue with all this with the for loop, while loop. Okay. Yeah. So now few points you have to remember that. The points are like okay, those points. Let's see if I can write it here. Points are default capacity. D default. Here I'm writing priority queue. PQ means what? Priority queue. We have AD. What is this AD? Array DQ. We
Mhm.
have linked list queue. LQ. Okay. So don't get confused. PQ means priority queue, array DQ, linked list queue. Okay. Now here we have DC. Here we have DC. Here we have IC. IC. This is important point. AD, AN, IO, SO, RA, SYN. Okay. Now let's see here. What is the meaning of DC? Default capacity. What it is?
What is it? D?
Default capacity. See, I'm
Okay.
writing here. DC means default capacity. Okay. Now default capacity for this is 11, and for array DQ it is 17, and for this is linked list this is 0. Okay. Now what is IC? Insertion order. IC means
Insertion
insertion,
order.
insertion order. So IC. No, not insertion order. Yeah, IC.
IO.
No, IC, right? Insertion means order, right? Okay, insertion order not. It is initial capacity. Because C, right? So initial capacity it has 11. Priority give. This is also same 17, and here it is 0, 0. And what is AD? Yes, allow duplicates.
Okay.
Will it allow duplicates or not? Priority give. Yes, it allows. Everything allows the duplicates here. Yes. Only
Yes.
set will not allow. Okay.
Uh,
Now Now here an. What is this an? Allow null values. Will it allow the null values? No. Here it is priority queue will not allow the null values, and this one also will not allow. No. Array DQ. But here linked list queue it will allow. Yes. So what I can write here? An. An means allow null values. Here also it is allow, not all. Huh. Now insert. This is insertion order. So what is this insertion order? Yes, it preserves the insertion order. It doesn't preserve. No. And then this one is yes. IO is what?
Insertion order.
IO is insertion. Insertion order. Okay. Now yes. What is this? Yes. Sorted order. Is it sorting or not? That is what we are doing. Sorted order. So let's see whether the priority queue is sorting the order. Yes, because it is, sorry, priority queue, right? Order is not sorted because for sorting what we are using comparator and comparable, right?
Yeah.
So this is nothing to do with sorting. No, no, and then here also it is no. Now what is this array? Array is random access. Can we do the random access here? Priority queue, no.
No.
And then
Yes.
no, it is also no. Array DQ.
Oh.
Then this is yes. Linked list. So we can randomly access with the help of addresses if we have. Now what is synchronization? Synchronization. Okay. So synchronization, is it synchronized? No. Everything is no. So it means what? It is using multiple threads. Yes. Yeah. So now what is your task is you have to cross verify this all and you have to tell me why it is no, why it is yes. Okay.
Okay.
If I'm asking like why these all are not synchronized, at least you should have some point to tell. So these are the facts. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
So like I may ask you why it is not duplicate what is this default capacity. So just work on this part. You will be getting questions on this. That's for sure.
Okay.
Okay. So we are pending with the map. So map and other topics we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So where it is? Any doubts you have, Bharat?
No.
So what we have learned in today's class?
Use like different.